prize favourite at the 7, Growbrook Blade. Buddy Rolls will soon know. Heat 2 of the Murphy's Pre-Ed and Rearing. Racing, come out a pretty good line. Frenetic, come out running, goes to the early lead. Moving up there was Kipaloo Pretty. There goes the favourite up out wide. Growbrook Blade sweeping up around the outside. Mavriki Pano looking for a run up on the fence and getting it. Mavriki Pano roll up underneath, took the front as they swing for home. Frenetic battling on, but it's Mavriki Pano wins. Second will go to Frenetic. Now third closer to Jesse Pepper or Growbrook Blade. Then came in Backyard Wrecker. Further back behind him, Kipaloo Pretty, and the last one in Soul's Magic, and the time about 17:60. The winner will be winner number 3, Mavriki Pano, by Collision out of Neblio, owned and trained by George Lahopoulos of Portland. Second will go to the 2, Frenetic, by Collision out of Obsessed for Mark Wicks of Forest Reef. And third of the 1, Jesse Pepper, Magic Sprite, Gemini 2, Frank Jeffcoat, Cara. 3, 2, 1 and 7 the numbers. 2 lengths by 1 1/4, 17:60 the time.